Well, starting today's video, or vlog, actually. We got some stuff from Walmart. We had to do a Walmart run. Got some stuff for Athena, a lot of bones.
Got these for cheap.
Got those for super cheap.
$1.50.
I don't know when we're gonna use that, but
Probably in the winter, though.
Got me ceramic coating from McGuire's. Also got ceramic coating detailer spray from McGuire's.
Don't forget to scan on your app.
And receipt. Can you keep that?
Yeah.
Before I lose it.
So you can get some points back.
Yeah. Then what else we got?
I got these for $1 each. They're usually $5. That's where I grabbed a whole bunch.
Yeah. So Gina got a bunch of those. Chocolate too.
Okay, so I was gonna do each chocolate everyone gets, because we're gonna go around and basically ice people. You bought a pack of Smirnoff.
Yeah, so the plan for my birthday, since everybody's in quarantine, we're just gonna drive around to everybody's crib and ice them. I think it's gonna be really dope for a video. I don't know if this video is gonna be out by the time then. Maybe I'll put this in a different clip.
Yeah.
Maybe the day after, but yeah. Maybe a day before, I don't know. And not that many people that I know watches my videos, because my view count is pretty low, but if they do, heads up. Nice, you got a blender bottle, let me.
Blender bottle. I got these for... Okay, so I got me new hand towels for the bathroom and this washcloth. Because these are on sale. This was 50 cents.
It looks the
this
same.
one was 10.
They all look the same. What's the difference?
Because it's washcloth. I have to dry my hands and stuff.
We got bread. What do we got over here? Oh, the mask that you got from Melissa.
Oh yeah. And our popcorn chicken, but the mask are so cute. With a filter.
Nice. See?
So I got floral.
Yup.
Toy Story.
Yup.
This one's like a superhero theme.
Looks like a Marvel, if I'm right. Yeah. Incredible Hulk.
And then Minnie Mouse. So cute.
Shout out to Melissa. She also gave us a note too.
Yep. Pretty decent. 2 for $5 or $3 for each.
Yup. Well worth it if you're trying to be protected. Also, we got a case of eggs. And that. And yeah, that's pretty much it for our haul from Walmart, huh? Water.
More my water. Dude, we went through a whole pack in like a week.
I believe it. Alright, to start today's video, I want to talk about these ceramic McGuire's detailer and the ceramic wax. Instead of getting the liquid, I got this, or instead of getting the spray, I got the liquid. That's what I'm supposed to say. But yeah, I got the liquid because I have a buffing tool, and I kind of want to use that a lot more. I'll probably be using that on this hatch. Then when it gets dusty and stuff, I'll use this quick detailer. And after I do go car washes, stuff like that, and whatever latches onto the water, if I didn't dry it fast enough, I can always just spray it down with this and keep the ceramic looking nice. But going into this, hopefully I didn't show off my address. I got a couple things. Don't have to worry. This is for my PC. I got a DVI cable. This is a LED headlight bulb that I ordered. And right here is going to be for the review video of this company called Zoom that sponsored me, that sent me out this piece and let me review it, and we're gonna install it today also and see how that goes. But yeah, this is behind the scenes. I'm probably gonna keep this. I don't know when I'm gonna upload this vlog. I'm gonna try to upload everything separately, so like this video is gonna be by itself, that video is gonna be by itself, because I'm not gonna do it today. My car is still dirty anyways. This, I'll probably include this into the vlog for sure. Then I'll probably install this in today's video, or for this vlog also. Alright guys, let's get this unboxing. This is made in China. Let's see how good these LED lights are. I got these for really cheap because they had Amazon Prime and they're really cheap and the reviews are pretty decent, so that's why I got it. We're gonna try it. I kind of forgot what kind of LED headlights I have right now. They were pretty good, but I had them ever since winter, and one of them recently just went out on me. I don't know why, but hopefully buying these will solve that problem. And yeah, jeez, they wrapped it up really good. Here is the box. It's called Benvensi, I believe that's what it's called. It's made in China, you can tell. There's a lot of Chinese font, I believe. I think that's Chinese lettering. 6K white bulbs. We're gonna try this out. Should be a fairly easy install. It looks like any other LED headlight that I got. I'm trying to remember what kind of LED headlight I have. If you guys remember, go back to my videos and look at that. Those are really good, but like I said, they kind of went out on me really early. I was expecting for them to last a little bit longer than what, maybe 4 months, maybe less than that, but it is what it is. So let's unbox this real quick. Also, if any company wants to send me out product to review, let me know. Super interested. Anything for the hatch or for the RAV4 also over there. Just send me an email. It should be on my description on my YouTube channel or whatever. Or if anything, just send me a DM in the comments that you're trying to send me something to review, and I'll get right back to you on that. So here's the unboxing. Let's see how they look like. And wow, they looking very nice. Built-in fan. Here's the manual. Shows you how to install it. 60 watts. What else? Flip chip, built-in fan. It says 50,000 hours of lifespan. Operating temps are negative 40 Celsius and 90 Celsius. I don't know what Celsius are, but I'm not gonna lie, these are freaking huge. This is way bigger than the LED lights that I have right now. Holy cow. So I'm gonna get the other LEDs out. Now I'm gonna compare them real quick. And just by the looks of just looking at that one, this one's huge. Yo. Alright guys, so comparing it to this one, they're about the same. Both of the LEDs are about the same, but the metal pieces are a lot bigger, if you can't tell. So I got some high hopes for this. I don't know why it's not focusing, but let me set it right here, right next to the knife. But you can tell this one's a lot bigger than this one, so I got some high hopes for this. Maybe it'll be a little bit brighter than these. Also the fans, if I compare real quick, fans are about the same. I feel like the Ala lighting fan is a little bit bigger. Also you could do this. Oh shit, I mean pointing at the right camera, but you could do this. You can spin the fan, while this one you can't. Has a little shield over the fan and stuff. Also the wiring is a little bit shorter too, which I like, because I don't want to run like long I don't want any of these wires showing, because everything in my car is tucked, so that's awesome. Also there's a piece of grass stuck in my LED headlight, but I'm gonna throw this in real quick, then we can compare it. I believe this side is the one that went out, so we can see the brightness difference between Ala lighting and Benvensi. I believe that's what this company's called. That's crazy. With the Ala lighting, you have to like twist the light to make the LED straight, so it like spans perfectly. But with this Ben B Vinci, I think this was called. I think I'm saying it wrong. All you do is just push it in, twist it to lock in, and it's like perfect. So lights are on. And dang, it's hard to tell. Let me see if I could brighten this down real quick. See if you guys could see difference. Is that too dark for y'all? Alright. This is the Ben Vinci LED light. This is Ala lighting. Dang, it looks like Ala lighting is beating this one. Alright guys, so I got both B Vinci lights right now. You guys can't tell. See, you guys have to focus. It takes a little bit for it to like warm up to start getting brightened, but you can tell these are really bright. All I need now is change out these corner lights because I don't like the amber look. I'll probably change it out with LED, make that bright also. But there she is. Ala lighting is really good though. They're super bright. I think they're a little bit more brighter than these, but for the price you can't really complain. I forgot how much Ala lighting LED headlights go for, but they go for a pretty good price also. They're pretty cheap compared to other companies out there. But yeah, I know Ala lighting was supposed to send me some stuff too when I had the Integra. They didn't get back to me on that. I even called them, and they're supposed to send me some stuff out for the hatch, and pretty much nothing. They didn't hit me back up. So that's why I'm out here trying out different product, and so far I'm liking these B Vinci's LED headlights. These are nice. But yeah, also these get super hot. I had the headlights on for like maybe a couple seconds, and these were like boiling point fire. I don't know if it was just like a missed product or what, but these got super hot. The fan was like doing nothing towards them, so I don't know. Also, I'm just letting these stay on, see if they get any brighter. Yeah, these are not as hot as Ala lighting. They're pretty cold. Damn, I was about to go inside, but I forgot these out. Fuck. Let's go put these away real quick. If you guys didn't know, this is like my detailing bucket. It has a bunch of like detailing stuff, Rain-X, a bunch of detail sprays, wax, everything you name it. Stuff to clean my wheels and yada yada. Man, this is what I hate about having a car with manual everything. Manually lock this shit too. There we go. What you doing? Making them smaller? Wow, the flex, one hand.
You want to plate now too, or?
Wow. Then over here, geez, making some katsu chicken. What a dinner. Alright guys, so we're in the room right now. But this is my new display port for my monitor. I had to get this because right now it's 144 hertz, but it's only running at 120, I believe. Last time I checked, so it's only running at 120. It's still smooth and stuff. I'm not getting the full 144 hertz, which I'm supposed to. So I bought this, and it should give me the 144 hertz that I'm looking for, and hopefully my gaming experience is gonna be a lot better. Also, with CenturyLink having an outage like all over the US, our internet speeds has gone down the hill like really bad. I don't know why it's happening. Maybe it's because more people are on the internet these days because of the quarantine, but that shouldn't cause an issue of an outage like that. I don't know what's going on. I really hope they fix their shit. If not, I think it's time to switch internet providers and go with Mediacom or something and get higher speeds, because this is getting ridiculous. Everything's slow. Every time I hop on, I just get lag spikes or like packet loss of like almost 100%, and it's literally unplayable. Streaming wise, it works perfect for that, like watching Netflix and stuff like that. But other than that, if another person hops on Netflix at the same time as you do, yeah, you're gonna run into some issues. But yeah, I'm gonna get this installed and tell you guys if it goes well or not. But if it don't, spend $20 for this freaking port for no reason. Alright guys, so here's my setup right now. It's kind of messy. Got my Switch here. I've been playing Animal Crossing a lot. My girl actually has been grinding a lot more than me, but I'm just the one that keeps the story going in the like story mode of the game, pretty much the quest of it. But we have finally successfully are officially at 144 hertz to get the full power of this monitor. I'm not gonna play any games yet because I want to eat and hang out with my girl for a little bit. Then I'll probably hop on later. And then yeah, let's hopefully see how good the quality is. I'm about to start editing here really soon. But like I said, I'm gonna hang out with my girl because she's cooking everything, and I'm pretty sure she's lonely out there. So let's go and see what she's doing. Well, my camera's about to die, but I'm probably gonna end the vlog here of Gina's cooking. If you guys are interested, give this video a like, and I'll probably record more of her cooking. But yeah, we got me some pasta, we got some garlic, my food for work, katsu chicken, Gina. But yeah, hopefully you guys like this video. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'm out. Peace.